So first step, what do we need to do? Differentiate. Good. We need to find a gradient function. So if you differentiate it, what do we get? 6x plus 7, perfect. Now what do we need to do? Because we're after the stationary point. So we need the point where the gradient is perfect. So we want the stationary point. So stationary point when the gradient is equal to 0. I always encourage you to write that down, okay, because it does remind you. So here's my gradient function, 6x plus 7, 6x plus 7. I know that my stationary point will occur when that thing is equal to 0. If I solve it, what do I get? Negative 7 sixths. Good, excellent. Well look, I've got half the battle. I've got half the battle won because I found my x coordinate. But I also need my y coordinate, so how could I do that?
Put it back in the equation.
Absolutely, I put it back in my original equation. Okay, so okay, I've got y equals 3 times negative 7 over 6 all squared, plus 7 times negative 7 over 6, minus 4. Minus 4. Okay. So let's have a look. So I get 3 times by 49 over 36 plus or minus 49 over 6 minus 4. Goodness, okay, so this is going to be 147 over 36. 147 over 36. Minus, well, if I times that by 6, I get 36 in the denominator. Times that by 6, we get, effectively just double that, so it's going to be 294 minus, well that needs to be over 36 as well, so 36 times 4 is going to be 144, so okay, here we go, so this is just going to be 3, so we get 3 minus that, so it's going to be negative 291 over 36, I think. Did we get that? Yeah. So you get negative 7 over 6 minus 291 over 36. Obviously I did that in my head, okay? But you're absolutely fine just to type that in a calculator and you should get the same thing.
I typed it and I started calculating, it says negative 97 over 12.
Did everybody get my answer?
97 over 12.
Yeah,
You got 97 over 12?
97 over 12.
Okay, I made a mistake, that's fine. So yeah, I made a mistake somewhere.
But I don't know where, because it sounds like it's good. It looks like it's good. Do you want to calculate?
Divide by 3. Like the bottom and the top.
Oh, have you cancelled this down?
Oh, maybe.
I haven't bothered cancelling. Yeah, okay.
Yeah, maybe you should.
So it should be if you times your number by 3, you should get the same thing. Yeah, 97 over 12.
Yeah, it's the same thing.
Okay, that is equal to 97 over 12.
It's still going to be correct.
Yes, absolutely.